Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. And today this video is kind of different because I'll be sharing few exclusive shots directly clipped from OnePlus 13s. By the way, OnePlus 13s is coming on 5th June next month. But I've been using this device from past few weeks. We are not allowed to talk everything about this device, but we are allowed to share the camera samples. So I won't be speaking while showing you guys the camera samples. You guys can judge yourself and let us know in the comment section below what you have to say about OnePlus 13s camera. And day before yesterday, I've also shared these photos on Twitter. So if you guys are not following us over there, you can follow us because I keep posting exclusive stuff even on Twitter. Meanwhile, if I quickly talk about the specifications of this device, which is OnePlus 13s, so it's a first compact phone from OnePlus, and we'll talk about those specifications which are already there on the internet. You guys can ask me anything in the comment section below, and also in the comment section below, drop the price guess of OnePlus 13s. OnePlus 13s will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and as it's a compact phone, so it will have 6.32 inches screen supporting 120 Hz, and one big change what you'll see on OnePlus 13s, and that's the add-on of action button. Now alert slider will be no more available on OnePlus smartphones. You will have two camera setups towards the back side of 50 megapixel. In China, OnePlus 13T had 16 megapixel front camera, but here on OnePlus 13s, it has 32 megapixel selfie shooter, which also supports autofocus. Battery, as per what we are seeing online, it will be having lesser battery capacity compared to OnePlus 13T. And the device will have support of 80 watt fast charging. And now let's take a look at the photos which I've clicked using OnePlus 13s. I won't be talking about the picture quality. You guys can judge yourself and drop your thoughts in the comment section.